Hey, this is Victor Antonio, and let's peek into my inbox to see what's in this week. So I got an interesting question. I'm going to kind of read it out. It's a little paragraph here. Bear with me. I'm going to read through it. The gentleman has a problem. Let's see if we can solve it for him. He says, Victor, first of all, I want to thank you for those great videos that you've made. Thank you. I started a cleaning business about a year ago and have some problems with sales. I have no experience in sales. In my cleaning business, I do not have the time to make the presentation that you said needs to be made in the sales process. He's watching one of my videos series. Customers just show me what they want me to do. Customers just show me what they want me to do. After that, I give them a price and they decide which contractor to hire. Would you please help me with my problem? I would like your advice. It looks to me that I need to make a change in my sales process in order to make this work. Signed, I'll just call them D.O. Those are the initials. Now, basically the problem is this. When a customer walks in, or you're making a presentation and you let the client control the conversation, you're always going to be at a disadvantage. Let me put this in the proper context with an example. Let's say that I have a retail business and I sell pool equipment, right? Customer walks through the door, first question out of his mouth is, hey, how much does a pool heater cost? Now, do I answer that question? The answer is no. What I do is ask a question. Well, how big is your pool? How many gallons does it have? Customer might say, well, I think it has about 15,000 gallons. Why is that important? He rebuts. I said, well, before I get to a recommendation on the heater, I need to know the size of the pool. By the way, what shape is your pool? What does that matter? The customer says, well, depending on the shape of the pool will allow me to make a better recommendation of the type of pool heater I can recommend for you. Get the idea? So what am I doing in this process? I'm not answering the question. I'm basically what? Asking questions, and then I'll make a suggestion and a recommendation. So to you, my friend out there, D.O., listen carefully. When customers come to you and say, what's your price? What you really need to do is reframe, reposition that conversation. You need to take control of the conversation. When somebody's asking you, how much does that cost? Before you answer the question, you might want to ask some key questions. You don't need a full sales process to deal with this. What you need is a better questioning system to make sure that the customer understands what you're selling, what you have to offer, and why you're different than anybody else. If you can do that, then you'll control the conversation. This is Victor Antonio with another quick sales tip reminding you, selling ain't hard when you know how. Take care.